Okay, cranking out the video early so I can be ready for happy hour. We're going to drink and talk stocks at 4 o'clock today, so hope you all join us for that. Put the links on StockTwits and Twitter. Real quick, this is our last live day trading course for 2017. It's coming up on September 16th. I think over the next 4 days, we're going to offer anyone who buys the course 2 free months in our chat room, because it's a really good combination to have the chat room membership in addition to the course. They go really, really well together. So 2 free months for anybody this weekend. I'll have the sale up pretty soon, but if you buy it but before the sale link is up, we'll still hook you up with 2 months in the chat room, because again, it's the best way. Take the course and then trade with a bunch of other traders who have taken the course, and then we're all finding the setups together. You won't believe the teamwork that goes into place in our chat room, and a lot of it is because of the course. Today was a really nice day. You can see, hold on, let me get my list going here. You can see a nice narrow range in the SPY, so there wasn't a lot of market activity. But here's what I have on watch for tomorrow, which is tomorrow, Friday already? Yes, it is Friday. Nice volume on this CDXC. Now again, if you go back and look at a bunch of charts, right? Generally, you'll see like a big day is rarely followed by another big day, so keep that in mind. And there's an example right there. See that big volume pop, and then it just went sideways and chopped around, and that happens a lot. But sometimes you do get kind of an early red to green and a nice follow-through day. But usually when I put something like CDXC on watch, it just means I like this breakout. I want to watch it literally over the next week or so. So we'll start watching it tomorrow, because sometimes the next day we do get a trade. NLNK, massive, massive move today. Adam F. Guy is tweeting negative stuff about this, so who knows what's going to happen for tomorrow. But that's same scenario. You had this huge move. I definitely want to watch it tomorrow. I think it's certainly extended in the short term. BCRX, a pretty impressive day today. You had the gap up and sold off. The next day, gapped up and sold off, and then all of a sudden, just boom, just rips through all the last couple days recent trading. You see it here on 15s. That's impressive. And this is another one that extended in the short term, but we want to watch it for the next several days. Fitbit, nice breakout today. And you know what? It's holding up fairly well. I called Fitbit. I'll show you the 2-minute candle setup I called this on. Look at this, early. So you had it kind of flagging like this. I called it over this flag, basically over the high of day, 631, 632. And my best sell was 673. So I did pretty good. I sold some, 4 cents from the high of day, and sold a bunch near the half. So that was probably my best trade money-wise of the day. But this one goes back on watch for tomorrow. I'm sure that was a short squeeze, a lot of shorts in Fit, and we might get a follow-through day tomorrow. AVEO, big pop today. Again, a lot of these on the watch list today have had big moves, so keep them on watch for the following week. I don't know if we'll get a follow-through day in any of them tomorrow, but we know the setups to look for. This CARA, a nice pop back here and really kind of flagging and starting to curve back up. So I like it over this. You do have the 200-day right there. Be aware of that. But I like it over this kind of recent trading. So we're going to watch CARA. IMGN was on long watch today for a bounce down here in the buy zone. It really ended up having one of those flat days where it ended up closing where it opened. Well, it's not closed yet. The market's still open for 19 more minutes. But I think it seemed to have found a bottom right here at the 20-day. And it might be back up from here, so we want to watch that one. IDXG just goes back on watch. After the breakout here, I'll zoom in a little bit for you. After this breakout, it's kind of flagging again. So it's acting normal, so we'll keep our eyes on that one. LINU, just another red day. I've been watching it ever since it started pulling back for a turn back up. Now we've almost round-tripped, but I still think it's worth watching it for one more day for a potential turn back up. No trades in it today because it didn't set up. Kind of the same thing, PULM. Had the big pop. 2 days lower, still worth watching for a turn back up. And then I have Comcast, CMCSA. I made one trade in this one today when it was getting decimated. I put on the projector and I told everybody, hey, this is super interesting down here around this 38 area, because you have the 200-day. It's got a huge candle, so it came a long way to get there. You've got support. 38 was resistance back here, then became support here, here. So you had a long move down to this area. I didn't get a lot out of it. I called it long right in here, and we got a nice bounce. I mean, I think it, I don't know, what did it bounce? Maybe 60 cents or so. What I'd like to see What I'd like to see tomorrow is open and sell off and kind of take out all these recent lows, take out that 38 support, and then I'll look for a reversal. A lot of times you get early selling and you get a nice reversal on a setup like that. Not in love with it, but anyway, we will add morning gappers to our list as well as what you're looking at here. And hope to see some of you at happy hour. And I'm going to quit babbling. We'll see everybody on Friday.